Let's take a look at Google Play Store on your DPS 109 Chromebooks. The Play Store app is a white circle with a multicolored triangle, and you can find it by searching on the bottom left-hand launcher or simply swiping up on your touchscreen. So the Play Store has a bunch of different standalone apps, much like on your iPhone or your Android phone. In our Google Play Store, you'll find things like QR code readers and creation tools and coding. All of these are easily accessible for you and you can install. Let's say you want to install a QR code reader. All you do is click on that QR code reader, select install, and your QR code reader will install on your Chromebook for you to use, just like that. In addition to maybe installing a QR code reader from the Google Play Store, there's several other apps in here that you may want to consider. For example, there's CoSpaces, there's Scratch Junior, there's a great app in here, PicCollage. Take some time to sift through here and see which app will work for your classroom learning.